train. Never fails. I'm a jinx. Well, Dave and I are in the Red Wing area of Minnesota, and we have been on the road for a little bit, just stopped for lunch. It was an interesting morning. We didn't get going quite as quickly as we might have wanted to. We didn't sleep super good, and I woke up at about 6:30 in the morning to our neighbor screaming and swearing and banging on the wall. And sounded like he was having a big fight with somebody. So I waited to see if it would calm down, and nope. So I ended up going to the front desk and saying, hey, I don't know if we should call 911, but there's mass chaos next door. So that was fun. But we're on the road. We've seen some beautiful country. We'll share that in a little bit, but off we go again. Well, we have been biking all morning. It's about 2:30, 3 o'clock here. And we've been on the road since, I don't know, 10:30. And we made it to a overlook. Thought we'd stop and stretch our legs. And it's not half bad. It's Buena Vista by the town of Alma in Wisconsin. Pretty sure all that haze is smoke. Thank you, Canada. We really do appreciate everything you do for us. Well, we're off our bikes because we're old and we're sore. We're gonna go check out this pier. Look at all the boats. Holy crap. There's a lot of sailboats.